A chest of gold to whoever brings me their tongues. All hands on deck! Cannoneers! Blast them to pieces! All hands on deck!
Captain!
You know not the power you chase.
Let us
That's
depart
still Richard.
before the Coltirans ask questions we lack time to answer.
Must you hound my every step?
You cannot control this power. The
That
artifact
spell
belongs
isn't
in a
ready
museum.
yet.
Only the withered and dead belong in museums. Like your cartel.
Can't cast that yet.
Your cartel has dissolved into dust. I choose to lead mine to glory.
That's still Richard. That spell isn't ready yet. I don't have a target. I can't cast that yet. That's still Richard. That spell isn't ready yet. I need a target. I can't cast that yet. That spell isn't ready yet. I don't have a target.
I will unmake you! Guards! Remove these pests! Oh, the stars are mine! This power is vast! Bow before cartel's soul! Oppose me and be extinguished! You are nothing! How dare you hinder me! The tools of creation, at my command! The realms, I can feel them, the tools of creation, at my command! Must not fade.
The first ones hid these artifacts for good reason. They are not meant for us. I am grateful our paths crossed, More Walker. These troublesome pieces will reside where they can do no more harm, and be studied by Cartel Al. Until our fortunes meet again.